N'importe sortant de Kenbe kou. 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 Moi bien relax, m'a roulé dans de l'eau à déjà fermé. M'pas contre ça manger pour 9 mois, m'a prendre l'eau dans nos briques moi. OK, chambre secret a révélé man dans ventre maman moi. Oh non, m'pas pour contre moi, organe yo t'a fait musique pour moi. Boy boy, maman m'rele, sac la pété, m'senti m'commencer glisser, ouvert j'ai moins en l'autre côté. Rive y'a pas prendre moins côté, ça pas bon. Dans plusieurs livres, religion, télévision. Conscience dans confusion pendant y'a pompé pollution. Aluminium avec la pluie a fait collision. Boy, s'il vous plaît, ben pose en question. Qui j'en fais yon côté si pas bon, bien toute perfection. M'a gardé synchronisation dans existence. Femme, les mouais pieds boyaux là mais y'a moins ouais balance. Pendant ma méditation, le président yon distraction. Li dit la bombe yon éducation pour yon vaccination. Tale, ça son échange drôle. Considérez parmi plus moun dans société qui aime l'école. Et si maman l'univers est d'accord pour qu'on va sous terre, m'pas quoi médicament qu'on va sortir dans pharmacie fabrication qu'on va. N'importe sortant de Kenbe kou. 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 N'importe sortant de où son temps. N'importe sortant de où son lampe. N'importe sortant de Kenbe kou. N'importe sortant de Kenbe kou.
How are you today, sir? Okay, how's it going? Fine, thank you. Thank you, sir. Here you are, sir. Thank you. Hey, buddy. You gonna pay for that or what? Look, buddy, I don't want no hassle today. Either pay for it or put it back.
They began happening after Congress passed that law in 1989. All of these new vaccines came on the schedule, and many of them were not properly tested, and they had mercury in them. Mercury was 1,000 times more neurotoxic than lead, and you know what lead does to a child's brain. Well, this is far more toxic. In fact, and most of the mercury has been taken out of the children's vaccines today. But it still remains in the flu vaccines that is being given to your children and to pregnant women. And the amounts of mercury in those vaccines are hundreds of times, in some cases thousands of times, what a little child's brain can take. So the message I would leave with you today is that before you take your vaccine, ask your doctor and make sure that there is no mercury in that vaccine. You know, in the multi-dose vials of vaccine, if a doctor drops that bottle on the floor and it breaks, that legally he is obligated to evacuate the building, bring in a hazmat crew with moon suits and respirators and clean up that bottle. So why? It's illegal to dispose of it into a sewer system. So why would you give that same substance to an infant child or a pregnant woman? And the problem is, with African Americans, the vaccines that have the mercury in them tend to end up in your community.